So today, I planned on working on some of the projects, the white car, silver car, but unfortunately it's raining really bad, and I've actually got a good buddy of mine on the way. We'll be doing some brake pads on his Trailblazer. Should be a pretty quick and easy fix, but stay tuned. This car is not too happy until it is actually warmed up, but we ain't got time for that because he's almost here. So forgot to record it, but Trailblazer's here, got it all jacked up, ready to go, and as you can see, maybe there is no brake pad left. So that's what we're here for. We're here to get them done. So we got them off, and I would say it was about time for some new brake pads.
Hey bro, I just bought the car.
I give you the benefit of the doubt, but at least you're changing them. So, all right. So we just finished up this side. Got the nice fresh pads on there now. Yeah. Let's take a look at these things again.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Good
I'd say it
God.
was about time. But with this side being finished up, I went ahead and saved him some time and got this wheel off. This wheel was absolutely stuck on there. So, you know, a little mallet trick, beat the tire a little bit. It worked just fine. But I have a feeling that these are probably going to be the same situation. So, let's get to it. Okay, so what's your guesses on these brake pads?
0 to 9.
Yeah, I said the same thing.
Oh my God.
Oh yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, those are mint. Oh
Damn.
yeah. I'd say it was about time. The problem is just some people just think that's okay to drive on. I've never understood that. And it makes an annoying squealing sound too. Like, how do you just ignore that? I don't know. Not me. Just a quick, easy tip. If anybody has a caliper that's stuck out like this, take your old brake pad, put it up against that piston, get you a nice big C-clamp. Make sure you got it on 2 flat surfaces, and just screw it on in, and it'll gradually push that caliper back in there, like so. Maybe not.
Maybe
not. Maybe not. Okay, with some slight adjustment, you want to try and make it have it, you're trying to keep it towards the middle as much as possible. It's kind of sliding a little bit, but it's fine. But as you see, piston's going back in. You should be able to slide it to get it all the way back in. Yeah, there you go. So break it loose. And now that the piston's all the way back in, you should be able to slide that thing right on with no effort at all. Just like so. There we go. So, while we're here, previous owner wired up his radio and tapped it into a constant fuse. So he would have to come up here every time he wanted to cut the radio off and undo this wire so the radio didn't sound. So we're going to find an empty fuse or a fuse that is an accessory fuse that doesn't stay on all the time. Tap this wire into it. I know it's not the proper way to do it, but there's wire already ran up here, and I just don't feel like pulling out the whole dash. I'm sure he doesn't either. So we're just going to find a fuse up here, tap it in, call it done. So instead, we are coming back here to the internal fuse box, inside fuse box for the vehicle. We're having to run this wire back here. I mean, like, look at this though. So if the previous owner of this Trailblazer sees this, just please don't ever do this again. This is not the proper way to do things. Anyways, so we're gonna run this wire back here to the fuse box, find an accessory fuse back here. That way my boy can listen to his radio without having to pop his hood every time.
Would be very nice.
So we did end up finding a fuse back here. Let's see if it works. Wow, look at that. Almost like I've done this before. Does it cut off? It does cut off. Beautiful. Just like that. No more side steps. New brake pads in the rear. And a radio that actually works when the car comes on. Oh, can't forget. Got the black bow tie now. Black front plastics. Think we're looking a lot better, huh?
A lot better.
I'd say so. So he says he's got something he wants to show me about something about this gear shifter. How do you get it?
This bad boy right here. Press that brake in. Get you a nice little tumbler.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh.
In the gear.
Oh, okay.
Simple as that.
All right, dude.
All right, bro.
That was something.